Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to insert equations to Microsoft Word. As you see here, let's do it. First I delete this. Then from here search for Math Input Panel. Bring this one. Determine a location. For example, I want to add an equation to here. Okay. From here start writing. For example, x equal to, complete the equation, 2 plus 3 over y. Yes, just insert the equation. You see? For example, I add another equation. Determine the location. For example, here, x equal to y square plus 3. Now you can select and correct it. For example, I want to select and correct it. Okay, 3. Insert. Also, you can use it for inserting symbols. Like, for example, I want to add this symbol. You see? Okay, another symbol, for example, theta. Select it and correct it. Yes. Another symbol, for example, gamma. Select it and correct it. Yes. If you see it, helpful, like and subscribe. Have a nice time.